Forget piccalilli. Make this radish and rhubarb relish. This relish starts with a base of onions. Now we gotta caramelize first. Coriander seed, mustard seed, and whole cloves. Chutneys are made from fruit. Relishes are made from vegetables. Rhubarb is a vegetable. Therefore, this is a relish. We're going to get crunch and bitterness from radishes. But you want to cut them into a fine dice. You want these to fit on a hot dog. Those caramelized onions will reduce to nothing. But they need some garlic, which we got to bloom first. Those spices are ready for the rhubarb. Time to put everybody together. This is going to be good. Add your radishes, brown sugar for sweetness, rice vinegar, and molasses. We need that to cook. That's how I make my relish.
Great use of rhubarb.
Oh, good.
Tangy rhubarb with the crisp radish and onions.
That's good.
That is really good.
You can keep that green shit. This pink relish is my new favorite.
That's a mouthful of summertime.
They ain't like this at Fenway.